i3D Smart Imaging System Introduction. Objectives are doing an overview of the i3D Smart, starting on the operator side to identify the power button, elevator hand switch, front control panel, laser lights, and temporal rods, and on the patient side, identifying the handlebar, chin rest, temporal rods, and accessory tray. In this video, we're going to review the major components of your PACS-i Smart Imaging System. And we'll start from the operator side here, and then we'll go to the other side here for the patient side. Starting the most important, which is then going to be your power switch, which is located on the horizontal part of the device, which is a green toggle switch. When you come in the morning, flip the switch on, light will illuminate. A light will also illuminate here for the temporal rods. The Vatech logo will also illuminate, as well as the green light at the top of our imaging system. In front of that, there's an emergency stop switch, which is a red button that the patient can then activate in the event they need to stop the scan at any point in time. To reactivate it again, there's a white arrow on the bottom. You rotate the button in the direction of the arrows. The spring-loaded button will then pop open, which then turn the power back on to the system itself. There's an elevator button here as well to raise and lower the device here, which is also available on the front control panel here. So continuing with that, we can then raise and lower the device here as well using the left-hand buttons. In order to adjust the Frankfurt light here for both 2D and for 3D, we then have the elevator button here for that, and to lower the Frankfurt light. The next button here allows you then to open and close the temporal rods here automatically for you. Close them during image capture. When image capture is completed, the temporal rods will open up automatically, but in the event you do need to take the patient out before image capture, clicking the same button again, temporal rods will then open up. The last button here on the right-hand side is a check mark to put the device into capture mode itself. Continuing as far as the major components of the device, we do have a handlebar for the patient to hold on to during image capture to maintain stability. Other parts here with the device, we have our lights for positioning here. So for 2D, there are 3 lights. There's a light here, which is our mid-sagittal light here. Light over here, which is then going to project for our 2D and for 3D, which is our Frankfurt light. And for 2D only, there's also light over here, which is our canine light. We're then going to project in the center of the upper left canine tooth. The appliances that we have our platform here for a chin rest, as well as for our bite stick, with a groove there for upper and lower incisors, which you use both 2D as well as for 3D. Other appliances are contained within the compartment here in the column. Open the door, and we also then have our chin rest here, which then used for your sinus and for your TMJ. The appliances for that, this is our appliance here for our TMJ. It goes into the slot, which then goes onto our device itself. And for sinus and for dentals patients, use this appliance here for your sinus patients. And for dentals patients, you can use this configuration here, just like this here for dentals patients. Or what many offices prefer to do is continue using the bite stick as you have been using for 2D and for 3D, and simply put a cotton roll above and below for a patient to bite down onto, again to maintain stability. Let's go back up here again. And then from here, now we're done talking about the front part of the device. And now let's take a look on the patient side. We're now looking at the patient side of our PACS-i Smart Imaging System. And as you can see, we have our temporal rods, which we saw from the other side here, which are cushioned for patient comfort, as well as maintaining stability during our image capture. We have our chin rest we saw a moment ago, along with the bite stick there, again, maintaining stability during our 2D as well as our 3D image capture. X-ray tube we saw here on the right-hand side here, with a sensor along the left-hand side that will then rotate around our patient. And then immediately to my right, we have our tray, which we can use for jewelry, such as earrings, necklaces, eyeglasses, and as well as other metal or dental appliances that can be removed during image capture itself, and can be placed in this tray here along the right-hand side. And that covers the major components here for our patient side of our imaging system. In summary, you should now be able to identify the following components of the i3D Smart Imaging System. On the operator side, the power button, elevator hand switch, front control panel, laser lights, temporal rod, and appliances. And on the patient side, the handlebar, chin rest, temporal rods, and accessory tray.